This is my bike. I'm getting some new bars. Thought I'd get a video while everything still matched, because I couldn't find the same color. But it's a stolen Heist. I think it's a 2010, and it has stolen tallboy bars, stolen convict stem, cyclone forks. Front wheel is custom. It has a McNeil Dubs rim, I think Primo spokes, and Odyssey Vandero hub. Have stolen class ring, and stolen mob, and stolen thermalite pedals. Original stolen Heist frame. Put a couple stickers on there. And Odyssey hazard light, back wheel complete. Stolen thermalite seat, and stolen SIC post. Doesn't need a seat clamp. But yeah, let me show you the other side. It's complete. I like it. I like the color blue. I might repaint my bars. I got the Sabrosa bars. I'll put up a video once I put those on. Tell me what you think. Thanks.